think I have, there we go. Lots to do. Toronto Snowmobile ATV Power Sports Show coming up soon. Sled season coming up soon. Don't worry, the depression will be over. You'll be able to run your snowmobiles soon enough. Right now, I'm having issues with the old three-wheeler. I'm losing air all the time. And that really, you know, it's a nice old three-wheeler. The tires in the back aren't very good in the mud. So I got these tires right here from atvtirescanada.com. A very inexpensive replacement tire. Man, these things are cheap. I can't believe it. And it's going to offer me a lot more traction. So, you know what? I'm going to change the tires out. I'm going to go for a ride. Let's do it. Now I'll leave this here. Get that beast going. Look at the yard. Full of all this goodness. Three-wheelers, junk pile, quads, sleds, trucks, razors. Oh boy, it's fun. There we go. Look at this. Have to put air in here every couple of days. So, I mean, I could fix it. I probably will. Keep them as spares. But these little square lugs here, they're not very good. They don't do a very good job. They're good for roaming around on the turf and whatnot. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, that's a little more good. Not gonna stay? Can I make that stay? Now, I think these are 12 mil. What? I bring 13s and 14s. Thought I did the right thing, but I didn't. Everybody see my jet engine? The jet is going on the Land Cruiser tonight. We're gonna run it up. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be cool. Back and forth. Suspension going back in the IQR. But don't worry, our three-wheeling, four-wheeling days aren't over yet. No, they're not. I'm gonna try to get out and get into some more mud before the end of the season. I have a few things planned. I'm pretty glad we did this whole three-wheeler experience this summer. It was pretty fun. Now, on these rims, you're gonna notice these little spacers here. You wanna use those. They're a bit of a reinforcement for the rim itself, actually. So you wanna make sure you put those back in. Get this out of here. Get this one over here. And, let me see. These are directional treads, so hopefully I put them on and mounted them the right way. I don't know. What do you think, Simon? Might be a little touch and go, right?
Well, it started off good.
Start. 3 there. There. Good there. So far, so good. It has some new traction. These things in the clay, those old tires in the clay, not good. Now these aren't a dedicated mud tire, boys. These are just a good replacement to get you out of the goo a little easier than those turf tires. I call them turf tires. Simon's going to take his out in his quad, rip it up a little bit. Might as well have some fun.
Last ride before I sell it.
Last ride before it's gone. He is selling his quad. LTR 450. Good machine. If interested, check him out on Facebook and he'll set you up. Now, oh yeah, sure. One of these is a 13 mil because somebody stripped a bolt. Two of them are. 13 and 14, the ones I just brought back. 14s? 13s. I had those traction gripper tires I tested out and reviewed on the Razor, and I told them I wasn't going to send them back. So I had to buy them. Actually, they were awesome. I decided to keep them because they are so good. It was a no-brainer. Ooh, I did do this the right way. Sweet. When I ordered these, it took approximately a day. I think I had them the next day. Yeah, I did. I ordered them in the morning. Either the next day or the day after. Within 2 days for sure they were here. It was awesome. Nobody wants to wait for tires. Because when you buy something, you want to have fun. That's what we're all about. Get on there. Well, it's gonna be nice. Keely drives this the most. He's always pulling the kids around on their sleighs, toboggans in the summer. Done. How easy is that? Watch my other videos for how you change those tires, how you change the rubber out. I do those myself. I use this little gizmo right here. Got this at Princess Auto. It was pretty cheap. I changed my own tires. Saves me some money. I've probably changed, I don't know, 10, 12, 14 tires already. At least more than that this summer. So, get out of here. There we go. Done. Now I'll just reverse it out of here. Like this. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Let's go for a ride, Simon. Don't forget to check out atvtirescanada.com. Tell Mooey from PowerModz sent you, of course. They have tires for everything. Your UTV, ATV. I even got tires for my PowerCat 200X there. Awesome. Let's do it. Try this out. Oh, I better get geared up. Oh, better already. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get some stuff on. the jumps there and you can start banging some off. I'll go get the other, my other 3-wheeler.